Hey everyone, so 4 days ago I packed my bags and headed over to sunny San Francisco for OpenAI Dev Day, held at the Fort Mason Center. By the way, the view there, you've got the Golden Gate Bridge chilling in the background, probably wondering why a bunch of tech geeks were busy talking APIs instead of enjoying the scenery. So let's dive into some of the juicy bits from the event, shall we? 1. Real-time API. Finally, you can interrupt AI. Now this is a game changer. The real-time API lets you interact with AI in, well, real time. Shocking, I know. Unlike the old days where the voice agent would talk and you'd just sit there waiting like a polite dinner guest, now you can interrupt the AI while it's speaking. Yes, you heard that right. You can jump in mid-sentence like, "Excuse me Siri, I wasn't done yet." The cool part? The API handles streaming audio both ways. And, drumroll please, function calls. This means you can now interact with AI in a more natural conversation and even get it to do more complex tasks. Super handy if you're like me and love multitasking, or if you just want your AI assistant to feel like it's living in 2024 with the rest of us. Oh, and here's the catch. Right now it only works with audio and text, no vision. I asked one of the OpenAI folks, why not call it the Audio Real-Time API? And they were like, oh, we're adding vision soon. So future-proofing the name, I guess, but brace yourself for the price tag. This thing costs 25 cents per minute of output. Yep, quarter per minute. So if you're having a deep conversation with your AI, just make sure your wallet is too. 2. Prompt caching, aka faster, cheaper. AI replies. Now here's something for all my developer friends out there. Prompt caching. Think of it like your brain skipping over the boring parts of a conversation. If you keep saying the same stuff in your prompts, like system instructions, OpenAI will recognize that and reuse previous responses to make it cheaper and faster. Boom, 80% less waiting around for long prompts and up to 50% off the cost. No extra coding needed either. Just make sure to stick all your repeat content at the beginning of your prompts. It's like getting a discount for being predictable. What a time to be alive. 3. Vision fine-tuning. Next up, image fine-tuning. OpenAI flexed its muscles by talking about a collaboration with Grab, where they fine-tuned their AI to recognize road signs. So, if your car ever gets lost and confused about which lane to take, AI's got your back. 4. LLM performance optimization. Here's a cool bit from OpenAI's architecture head, Colin. He broke down the two big ways to boost LLM performance. Context optimization. Think prompt engineering to retrieval augmented generation, RAG. LLM optimization, moving from basic prompt engineering to fine-tuning your models. Basically, you don't need to use fancy semantic search for everything, which is great because I'm tired of everything being over-optimized. Keep it simple, folks. 5. Structured input and output. Keeping it neat. Last but not least, the team's work on structured input and output. It was honestly impressive to see how they're fine-tuning both the engineering and research sides. Keeping things organized when working with complex data is super important, and these guys are killing it. And that's a wrap on the highlights from OpenAI Dev Day. It was a wild ride full of new APIs, fine-tuning, and a lot of geeky conversations. If you want to dive deeper into any of the topics I covered, let me know in the comments and I might just do a follow-up video. Until next time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Or, don't. No pressure.